Work trucks need love too, and this one needs interior love, specifically the driver's seat. Now, someone has covered up the issue with a universal ill-fitting seat cover, but we can do a lot better than that. This is what we're dealing with for the most part. The seat is worn and the bolster has ripped. They've sewn it back together. This isn't anything that a great custom fitting rough country seat cover can't make look 1,000 times better. And that's what you want. Custom fit, provision for the airbag, so much better.